Hi, this is Andrew Dixon, and today we're going to solve a rational expression by adding. This may look like a very complicated problem, but it's actually very easy. Just think of it as a regular adding fractions instead of getting confused with all the variables. So x plus 3 over x minus 5 plus x minus 2 over x plus 4. So all we have to do is find the lowest common denominator and simplify. It's pretty simple. So, step 1. What's common with x minus 5 and x plus 4? So, the lowest common denominator would be x minus 5 and x plus 4. Just multiply them together. And since this does not have x minus 4, then we multiply it with x minus 4 and x minus 4. And do the same thing for the other one. There's step 1. So then we can, since they both have the same denominator, we can add the tops together. So x plus 3 times x minus 4 plus x minus 2 times x minus 5 all over the lowest common denominator, which is x minus 5 and x plus 4, so we can just write LCD to save some time. So step 3, we need to simplify the top. So we would FOIL it. So foiling the first one would be x squared minus minus 4x plus 3x. Let's see, so first, then minus 12 plus, getting that from up there, x squared minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 all over the LCD. So step 4, we need to simplify the top. So the 2x squared, you can cross those out. And then all the x's. So that is negative 7x, and that is negative x. So minus 8x. And then negative 12 plus 10 is a minus 2 all over the lowest common denominator. Step 5. So we can take a 2 out of that top fraction. Factor that. So x squared minus 4x minus 1 so there's that. And 4, there's no factors of 4, so that is unfactorable. So that looks like it's going to be the most simplified this problem can get. So at the end of the problem, you always want to rewrite the lowest common denominator, even if we could just write LCD, but you just want to make sure. So it would be back up to the top, x minus 5 and x plus 4. So this would be x minus 5 and x plus 4. And we're not done yet. We still have to find the restrictions. So those are values which x cannot equal, which will make the denominator 0 or undefined. So the 2, all we have to do is look at our lowest common denominator all the way up here. And x cannot equal a positive 5, because that would make that 0, or a negative 4, because that would make that 0. So, positive 5, negative 4. And that's your final answer.